everyone, especially to our senior high learners. Welcome to our class. Welcome to our new subject, Introduction to World Religions and Belief System. I would like to start our first discussion with this question. Do you believe in God as our Savior? When there is a rally, are you a leftist or a rightist? Do you think that man is inherently do good or bad? These questions are good examples of different types of belief system. Hello, senior high learners. This is introduction of the world religions and belief system. Today's video we are going to discuss understanding and appreciation of one's faith. And I'm sure that you are all ready to learn. So senior high learners, let's move on. Prepare your module and pen. I am Teacher Alex, and this is World Religions and Belief System. The Philippines has the third largest Catholic populations in the world. This only shows that Filipino knows that very well where their faith lies. However, though we really knows some of the notions behind and habit understanding of religions, this subject will help you to understand the historical context of the different religions, appreciate differences and similarities, and promote mutual understanding among believers of different faiths. Today we are going to understand first the nature of the religion. Here are the objectives. As we go along with the lessons, we are expected, or you are expected, to define belief system or religions and spiritually differentiate concepts, elements, and characteristics of the belief system, religion, and spiritually. Lastly, you are to make an affirmation of your faith or beliefs, the religions you belong.
That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion.
Religion may be defined as an organized systems or beliefs, ceremonies, and rules used to worship a god or a group of gods. The Latin word religio, refers to something done with the over-anxious or scrupulous attention to detail. These terms may have properly been derived from the Latin verb religare, which means to tie together, to bind fast, and its original Swiss word refers to expression of proper piety that is binding to God. While later, religious was used to designate form of belief system, the term was eventually applied to what we now call as religion, because of the manner in which the people performed rituals during those days. Most ancient civilizations worshipped many different gods, and the Romans were no different. Each of the gods has their own purpose and value. Here are some of the popular Roman gods. Number 1, Jupiter, the main Roman god. Juno, the wife of Jupiter, goddess of women and fertility. Mars, the god of war. Venus, goddess of love and beauty. And also Minerva, the goddess of wisdom, arts and crafts, learning and industry. Neptune, the god of the sea. Ceres, goddess of harvest. Vulcan, god of underworld. Belief in God or gods is found in almost all religions. So senior learners, listen up. As we go along, I want you to take a look on this picture and analyze. What can we say in the picture? How can you relate the picture in our daily life? The picture is a clear depiction of an act of prayer. Majority of world religions follow a set of prayers in the form of chants, mantras, or creed. Whether you pray or not, you may have witnessed the influential roles being played by religions all over the world. The following are elements of belief system or world view. Number 1, time, the age of people, the length of the day, the age of the country. Number 2, values. It is different from person to person. People from different religions, countries, they all value different things. Number 3, society. It is the way people and government interact with each other, and among themselves the government is the ruling force over a society, and underneath them are different classes of people. Number 4, beliefs. Pertain to science and religions and anything you believe in. Number 5, elements. Knowledge. The more education a person has, the different view in the world they will have. And the number 6 is the economy. The way we view the world has high dependency in the amount of money you and your country has. The last element, number 7, geography. It is a combination of economy, society, time, and beliefs. Furthermore, the following are some kind of belief system or world views and religions. Number 1 belief system, theism. The belief in the existence of one or more divinities or deities which exist with the universe and yet transcend it. This God also in some way interact with the universe. Number 2, monotheism. The view that only one God exists. Number 3, polytheism. Polytheism is the belief in or worship of multiple gods. Number 4, pantheism. The belief that God is equivalent to nature or the physical universe, or that everything is an all-encompassing, immanent, abstract. Number 5, animism. The belief that soul inhabit all or most objects, whether they may be animals, vegetables, or minerals. For number 6, atheisms or non-theisms. The belief that gods do not exist or a complete rejection of the theism in any form. Number 7, agnosticism. The belief that the nature and existence of God is unknown and cannot ever be known or proven. So let's recap the kinds of belief system or world views in religions. Number 1, theisms. Number 2, monotheisms. Number 3, polytheisms. Number 4, pantheisms. The number 5, animisms. Number 6, atheisms. And the last one, agnosticisms.
This is a day that will forever be remembered in the hearts of these two individuals. And together you will divide all of life's sorrows, but you will multiply all of life's blessings. There's only one cure for loving. Love more.
Dear Howard, we shared so many amazing experiences in the past 6 years. It was full of laughter, excitement, and happiness. I'll cherish you and Mosul each and every day of our lives. You are my best friend. May we have a life full of adventures and grow old together.
Aaron and taking Howard by the hands to be your lawful and wedded husband require you to promise to love and be true to him as long as you both shall live. Do you so promise?
I promise.
Mojo agrees.
Dear Aaron, we have had so many memories together. You're always there when I'm at my weakest. And you patch me up so we can go on to enjoy our good times. You're the perfect mom for Mozo, our four-legged son. So today I promise you, I will treasure you and I'll always be with you faithfully and be your guide as you step into the unknown.
Hey, I think you are all familiar with this saying. That's right. It's a wedding ceremony. I'm sure that is everyone's dream. Sitting down his or her most loved person in the universe. Marriage is a commitment of a man and a woman to a lifelong partnership. Established for the benefits of each other and procreation of their children. Ritual ceremony, just like a wedding scene a while ago, is one of the various elements of religions. Let's have it one by one. Belief system or world view. Many beliefs that fit together in the system to make sense of the universe and our place in it. Number 2, community. The belief system is shared in each ideas are practiced by a group. Number 3, central stories or myth. Stories that help explain the belief of a group. These are told over and over again and sometimes performed by members of the group. They may or may not be factual. Number 4, rituals. Beliefs are explained, taught, and made well through ceremonies. The next one is ethics. Rules about how to behave. These rules are often thought have came from a deity or supernatural place, but they might also be seen as a guidelines created by the group over time. Number 6, characteristic emotional experiences. Most religions share emotions such as awe, mystery, guilt, devotion, conversion, inner peace, and others. Number 7, material expression. Religions use things to perform rituals or to express represent beliefs such as statues, paintings, music, flowers, incense, cloth, architectures, and specific sacred locations. Then the last one, sacredness. Religion sees some things as a secret and some not secret. So it recaps the various elements of religions. The various elements of religions are belief system or world views, community, central stories or myth, rituals, ethics, character, emotional experiences, material expression, and sacredness. Now, we go to another concept that we need to focus on the spiritually. It is one integrity of views of life involves a quest for the meaning of ultimate value of life.
Hello. Magandang biyernes po sa inyong lahat. Hindi pa ako nag-umpisa, tumatawa na kayo. Natutuwa ako kasi nakaka-bless na isa ako sa napili nila, Father Bell, tawagan na mag-testimony rito ngayon. Sa harap niyo mag-share ng buhay. Nakakahiya minsan kasi, di ba, likas sa tao minsan yung tinitingnan yung nakaraan mo. Di ba? Pero bago ako pumunta rito, kahit mukhang hindi ako nagdadasal po ako. Palagi ako nagdadasal. Doon ako humuhugot araw-araw. Sabi nga nila, ang mga komedyante, kala nyo yan yung pinakamasayang tao sa mundo. Pero pag mag-isa na kami, walang nagpapatawa sa amin. Kwento ko yung buhay ko. Maliit pa lang ako, ganito na ako kulit. Ganito na ako kulit. Bunso ako sa magkakapatid. Hindi ako pwedeng hindi pansinin ng nanay ko kasi gagawa ko ng paraan para pansinin ako. No? Pag may bisita yun, nung nakikita nang gumagapang ako sa kisame. Para pansinin niya lang. Iiyak ako kahit di nakakaiyak. Pero komedyante na ako. Nung bata pa ako. Mahal na mahal ako ng nanay ko, mama's boy ako. Lahat binibigay sa akin. Ako yung pasaway. Mahal na mahal pero pasaway. Nakapagtaka minsan na mahal ka pero pasaway ka. Di ba? Anong kulang sa buhay mo? Siguro isang pagkakamali rin ng magulang ko yung in-spoiled ka ng todo. Mahal na mahal ka ng nanay mo lahat. Nakaasa ka lagi sa kanya. Hanggang tumanda ka ng tumanda, hindi mo na alam yung tama at saka mali. Pero hindi ko sinisisi yung nanay ko kasi sabi nga nila lahat ng desisyon mo sa buhay, ikaw ang may gawa niyan. So, nung nagkaisip ako, sa sobrang papansin ko, lagi akong tinatawag sa eskwelahan. Hindi para bigyan ng award, kundi para parusahan ng mga teacher. Para ipatawag yung nanay ko. Yung nanay ko nga, minsan hindi na umattend ng graduation ko kasi nahihiya na. Minsan nakikiusap ako sa mga tao doon, ate, sabitan mo nga ako ng Sampagita kasi wala yung nanay ko eh. Nagsawa na sa akin. Matigas ang ulo ko, hindi ako naniniwala sa mga pangapain ng mga magulang ko. Bata pa lang ako, nag-umpisa na ako mag-drugs. Drugs ako na nag-drugs. Hindi ko iniintindi, away, inom, kukulong ka, lalabas ka ng nanay mo. Hindi ko iniintindi yung mga magulang ko noon kasi sanay na ako na ginagawa nila sa akin yun eh. Hanggang kinatandaan na po nila yun. Hanggang kinamatay na nila yun. Huli na para ma-realize mo na wala na yung mga magulang mo, mag-isa ka na lang sa mundo. Sobrang proud mo, sobrang iniisip mo lagi yung sarili mo, kaya ko to. Droga ka ng droga, tumira. Nawala lahat, mga kapatid ko. Tinakwil na ako. Wala nang nanay ko eh, wala nang aalaga sa akin, wala na akong kasangga. Ito hanggang tumira ako sa jeep. 2 taon po ako sa jeep. Bulok na jeep. Nginalamok ako gabi-gabi. Kailangan mo matulog ng lasing kasi pag di ka natulog, yung lamok diya, makakaganti lang ako pag hinuli ko, ginaganon ko rin siya. Ganun ang buhay ko hanggang isang araw. Inabot pa ako ng undoy. Natutulog ako sa jeep. Sabi ng anak ko, yung anak ko kasama ko pa sa jeep. Sabi sa akin ng anak ko, pa, bumabaha na. Kaya mo hindi aabot yan. Bish, kumain yung... Lumungoy kami dalawa ng anak ko papunta sa chapel. Nasa ibabaw kami ng chapel. Nakita ko yung 3 pirasong damit na pinagpapalit-palitan namin. Anak kong suotin. Inanod. Isipin mo, ang inaasahan mo lang nun, sandalan mo, yung jeep. Doon kami kumakain, yung damit namin nandun. Minsan nga, kumakain lang kami ng pulburon tsaka tubig. Eh. Hirap pala ng gutom, no? Kaya pag nagugutom ka, parang gusto mong kainin yung katabi mo. Tapos, natutulog ako noon gabi. Sinasabi ko sa Diyos, dahil nahihiya na ako sa mga kapitbahay. Nandun ako, di ba? Ang ganda-ganda ng buhay ko dati, natutulog ako sa jeep. Sabi ko sa Diyos, totoo ka ba? Patayin mo na kaya ako. Ba't mo ba ako pinapatay? Wala naman silbi buhay ko eh. Pagising ko bukas, pag iinom na naman ako ng alak, lalamukin ako, iinumin ng alak. Hindi nga nabubusog yung lamok. Tapos, gano'n ang buhay ko hanggang wala na yung jeep. Pag-alagala na lang ako sa kalye. Natutulog na ako sa mga gilid-gilid, yung mga pambatang taong lansangan. Pero habang ginagawa ko yun, meron kumukuha sa akin ng YouTube. Doon nag-umpisa yun eh. Hindi ko alam, ipopost pala sa YouTube. Tapos, na-discover ako ng ABS-CBN. Pinadala na ako ng sulat. Di nga ako naniniwala eh. Tapos ayun, naging artista ako galing doon. Pero lumambot ba yung puso ko? Makulit pa rin ako. Nung binigyan ako ng papapahala ng Diyos, sobra-sobra. Sakyan, bahay, nagkaroon ako ng asawang bait, maganda. Nag-drugs ulit ako. Drugs ako. Naubos lahat. Inaaway ko yung mga kasama ko sa trabaho. Akala ko lagi akong tama. Wala akong ginawa kundi mag-drugs. Hindi na ako kumakain. Pagkain ko yun. Hanggang isang araw, di ba napanood nyo ako sa news? Ako yung tatalon sa Sogo. Nakakapit ako doon. Tulungan nyo ako. Wala na. Yung mga tao, alam, narinig doon sa mga tao, tumalong ka na dyan, kanina ka pa dyan eh. Naiinip na kami. Wala man lang, wag. Wala akong naririnig. Ba't ganun sila? Di ba? Pagkatapos noon, buti may mga tumulong sa akin. Takot na takot ako eh. Buti may naghumila sa akin para iligtas ako. Di pa rin ako namatay. Nagtataka ako, ba't di ako namamatay-matay? Kung anong ginagawa ko, tatalon, hindi ko nakatira sa jeep, nilalapa ng lamok, hindi nagkakadengge. Di ba? Paglabas ko sa rehab, hanggang ngayon, hindi na po ako nag-drugs. Tinigilan ko na. 4 years na po ako hindi nagda-drugs. Ngayon, lahat ng show na nawala sa akin, na kinuha ng kaaway, binalik sa akin ng Diyos, doble pa. Pagkatapos, pagka nagsisimba ako, nagdadasal ako araw-araw, parang sinasabi sa akin ng Diyos, kung pinagbigyan ko yung hiling mo noon, nandito ka ba ngayon sa harap para magpatotoo ng ginawa kong maganda sa buhay mo?
From the short video clips, it shows a man experienced a lot of things in life, but still he has overcome all these challenges by that he had become a greater individual. In short, he has a fighting spirit. The word spirit came from Latin term spiritus, which is translated as breath, courage, vigor, or soul. There are 4 characteristics of spirituality. Number 1, sense of wholeness and harmony within oneself. Number 2, sense of wholeness and harmony with others. Number 3, sense of wholeness and harmony with God or supreme power. And the last one, a sense of wholeness and harmony with the ecosystem. There are 5 attributes or elements of spirituality. What are those? Those are, number 1, meaning. The ontological significance of life, making sense of life, situations, deriving purpose in existence. Number 2, the values, beliefs and standards that are cherished, having to do with the truth, beauty, worth of a thought, object or behaviors, often discussed as ultimate values. Number 3, the transcendence, experiencing appreciation of dimension beyond the self, expanding self-boundaries. The other one's the connecting, relationships with self, others, God, or the high power, and the environment. That is the connecting. And the last one is becoming, an upholding of life that demands reflection and experience, includes a sense of hope, who one is, and how one knows, among other things. Now, you are all loaded with knowledge and information, but this is just our first episode. It means more to go. But we are not yet done. Before we end, let's have a drill. Let's do a fact or a blank. Are you ready for a drill? Alright. Now since you're all ready, make sure that your ballpen and your module is with you, or just a piece of paper will do. Here are the directions. Examine the following statements. Write fact if the statement is correct, and write blank if otherwise. Number 1 statement. Economy is a particular way of ordering the realities of one's world. Is it a fact or a blank? Very good. It is a blank. Belief system is a particular way of ordering the realities of one's world, not economy. Number 2 statement. Spirituality is not instrumentalist or materialistic attitude to life. Is it a fact or a blank? That's right, it is a fact. Number 3 statement. Pantheism is a belief that God is equivalent to nature. Is it a fact or a blank? Yes, it is a fact. Number 5. Atheism is a belief that gods do exist. Is it a fact or a blank? Yes, it is a blank. Atheism is a belief that gods do not exist. Number 5. Ethics pertains to rules on how to behave. Is it a fact or a blank? Very good, it is a fact. Congratulations! For job well done. In your activity notebook, as your homework, give the learning that you have gained from the following concepts. Number 1, tell something about belief system. Number 2, tell something about religion. And the last one, tell something about spirituality. I hope this lesson made you understand the nature of religion, That's all for today. In the next episode, we will learn the origin of world religions. And teacher Alex, and always remember this: you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. See you next time.